just wanted to take a couple minutes to show a new feature of the script editor, which is the new error handling. Originally in RF2, the error handling was that if there was a script error, it would show the error message either in the Python console or in a message box, depending on the version of RF2. I've now integrated the error handling into the actual script editor, so I'll show that. If we go down here, we're creating a scene object, which is our custom class in this script. And so if I just add a character to that and then press run, RF2 will exit and that line will be underlined where the error is. If we mouse over that, we'll get name error, global name scene EE is not defined. That tells us exactly what we did wrong. When we fix it and rerun RF2, we can see that RF2 runs fine and the script editor has removed the red line. This is very useful, obviously, for when you make script mistakes, but this can also be useful for when you are, for instance, creating a file, for debugging. In this case, if we create a new object called text file and make it a file, and we'll say the file.txt is the file name, and we're just going to read it, and then we try to, for every line in the file, we just print that line. And now if we run this, because the file doesn't exist, we get the constructor for the file object is underlined, and if we mouse over it, IO error, no such file or directory, the file.txt. So we know exactly what went wrong in that case. We don't have the file there. So if we look, we see that it's an IO error, so we can do try, indent all of that, and then go down one and accept IO error, the same error type it gave, print file not found. And now when we run RF2, you can see that it doesn't crash, it just says file not found in the Python error console. So if we go ahead and create that file, and we can just add whatever to it. Then we go back into the script editor, and now if we run it, we can see that the contents of the file are written to the console. So it's quite useful for many things, not just errors, but it really helps in development.